What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Keep It Reet YouTube channel. Today we're going to be giving you an in-depth look, driving perspective of this beautiful V-SPEC II R34 GTR. This car is insane. It is our current giveaway, so if you are in Australia or New Zealand, you can buy an entry into this car. It's valued at $300,000. It's our biggest giveaway we've ever done. So if you do want to jump on it, keepitreit.com, links in the description. We're going to be taking it up the hills, show you what this thing is made of within the regulations of the road safety and legal actions of the law. If you don't know anything about it, V-SPEC II, immaculate, full Z-Tune kit, pearl white paint. It's one of the nicest cars I've ever seen. It's got the 19-inch raise. It's got the complete R35 GTR brake conversion. So this thing stops on a dime. It's pretty crazy. Wing risers, genuine V-SPEC II. Anyway, it's got V-cam, HKS V-cam, so variable cam timing, made by HKS for the RV26 engine, which is really, really cool. Haltech 2500, bunch of cool stuff. We'll get to that when we get up the mountain. It makes like over 320 all-wheel kilowatt on E85, but it's on flex. It's currently got 98 in it, but it's still pretty pokey. So let's jump in and go for a cruise. AC on, cruising. Man, it's a special car. Day in the life of someone who can afford a car the price of a house.
How accurate do you reckon all this stuff is?
I don't know. The boost gauge would be accurate. The rest of it, I don't even know what the rest of it is. Is that just boosting a graph? I think it is. That's all just boost. So I've never actually played around with the dials. Ah! That's in Japanese. Oh, what do we got here? We got oil temp and boost. Oh, that's all pretty accurate. Like the throttle's accurate, injector looks good, oil temp, water temp, exhaust temp, intake temp. That's crazy. Have all those sensors from the factory.
That's pretty cool.
Nissan knew what they were doing, building a sports car. Where did they go wrong? What happened? What happened, Nissan?
Well, we're stuck behind a Aussie icon.
We'll open up her potential in a minute.
Show them a bit of
the never-ending dose.
never-ending dose.
Man, what a car. All right, Takumi, you're up. Oh, that's fifth. Don't mind my poor shifting. There's nothing quite like it, Adam. The way it hugs the road. Oh, I just breathe on the brake pedal and it just stops. Well, that didn't take long.
I noticed this is boost was coming up red when you're on boost. I don't know if it's because maybe this thinks
Yeah.
boosting because it has a
Yeah.
little bit more.
Yeah, that'll be set to like the standard boost settings. So probably 1 bar. So when it gets over that, it'll. What a vehicle! They're like as far as you can go with building a car and it's still feeling like an analog car, as someone I recently spoke to put it. Like, there's a certain point in car manufacturing where things turn digital. It doesn't feel like you're driving a car anymore, the car's driving you. But these are like as far as you can go where it still feels like a driver's car, you still feel the road, still feel in control. It's got the comforts of the modern era.
The modern era. What year is this?
It's 2001.
That's newer than my model.
Yeah, so I think they stopped making R34s in 2002. The old twin turbo dose is interesting. Definitely a bit different. Got dash 9 upgraded turbos. I'm guessing like right now it's probably only making below 300 kilowatt because we've got 98 in it. I'm sure E85 peps it up a bit. Nice to have the option of both though. Should I pull over, get a little break, stop following Karen in a RAV4. It's got a bunch of Nismo stuff. Nismo gear knob, Nismo mirrors. Look at the blue tinted mirror. Oof, oof, oof. Nismo floor mats, Nismo rear floor mats. It's got a center brace there. Nismo seat covers. Oof, leather front and rear. Premium. Should I say Nismo? I think it's got Nismo clutch, Nismo wing risers, Nismo this, Nismo that. So whoever owned this car and modified it definitely knew what they were doing.
No J. Scott drift build though.
Oh no, it's no J. Scott drift build, mate. Because J. Scott doesn't have the bloody pocket to modify a car like this. I'm gonna make everything myself. Custom buying Nismo stuff. Not made money out of it, mate. Oh, those brakes are crazy. Yeah, that'll never get old.
It's one of those cars you can drive fast, but it's soothing at the same time.
Yeah.
Go to sleep.
Soothe the soul. If you're having a bad day, just go jump in your R34 GTR V-SPEC II, V-Cam, and it'll cheer you up. Don't let them tell you money can't buy happiness. This is evidence right here. I don't think it's got a blow-off valve. I saw something as like a block-off. It must just be like the individual turbos dosing. It's exactly what it sounds like, if you're wondering. Oh, there was... Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe it does have a blow-off valve. Doing 80.
Yeah, good.
Adam wasn't ready.
I wasn't ready.
I should have gave you some warning. Yeah, it stops on a dime. That was just like real light pressure. Obviously, I don't know what tyres are on it. I don't want to go slamming them on, but yeah, she'll stop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very cool. As I'm maturing in life, big brakes become more and more brakes. As I was saying, before my autism interrupted me, cut. As I was saying, I am a big fan of big brakes now. And I do still believe that brakes don't make you go faster, but brakes are cool.
A day, huh? It's a hard life here at Keep It Reet.
Oh mate, it's a tough gig. I don't get paid enough to do this. What do you mean I have to go cruise through the hills in a V-SPEC II V-Cam R34 GTR. Alrighty! What a car! I'm speechless. To our nice park. It's not park. I don't know what you call it. Car park. Let's have a look at the heart of the beast. Ooh, titanium bonnet strap, factory carbon fiber V-SPEC II bonnet, of course, carbon fiber filler panel, titanium intercooler piping, all pie cut. It's some beautiful work. Can't remember who did that, but it's very nice fabrication work. Yeah, KMF, I guess. I'm very impressed. I do like myself titanium work. And it's about as good as it gets. Hats off to whoever done that. Like I was saying before, we've got the HKS V-Cam, HKS power. So I'm guessing, I don't know if it was done by HKS themselves or not, but yeah, it's not something you see very often, especially in Australia. Japan or America, you might see a bit of V-Cam. I guess, I don't know. We haven't had a car with V-Cam before. So that's pretty cool. That's like your intake camshaft is variable on oil pressure, similar to the way that most VCT systems work. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. I don't want to say too much, I'll get it wrong. I don't think it's like VTEC, where nah, I'm going to stop talking. Anyway, it's variable cam timing on an RB26.
This to a Honda.
So it's basically a K24 VTEC.
Six-cylinder K24.
I got VTEC. Anyway, enough of that. Upgraded fuel system, Haltech ECU, upgraded turbos, 320 kilowatt like I was saying on E85. I'm not sure what it makes on 98, but it's more than enough to hit the hills and have a bit of fun. Oh, nah, that's just factory. Don't worry about the titanium mine strut brace. It's not worth more than my daily. Premium, these GTR boys know how to spend money. Did you know you can own this car? Little 50 bucks. Yeah, nice looking catch can. I like what they've done with the weld-on fittings. A big fabricator. Oh, more titanium pie cuts, look at that. Premium. Damn, son. Yeah, as I was saying, all these weld-ons, they've welded them from the inside. So you've got like a real sharp, nice looking fitting there. So tastefully modified. It's about as good as it gets. If you ask me, what intercooler are we rocking? Nismo. Not bad. And yeah, full Z-tune kit. So we'll shut this. It's enough under there. The 19-inch Volk Rays, discontinued silver premium. Have a look through those wheels there. Look at the size of the brakes, Gary! That's fancy. Z-tune, genuine front fenders. More Nismo. Z-tune, fancy. You can remove them if you don't like them. I have removed them once before off a Z-tune we gave away. Nismo wing risers, you have to. I hate how low the wings sit from factory, so that's like the perfect height. Nismo carbon fiber wing blade in the factory wing. It's got the badge down here for clout, of course, because you got to let everyone know it's a genuine V-SPEC II, because otherwise what's the point of owning it if other people can't see that you're driving one?
What differences between a V-SPEC and a V-SPEC II?
Oh, put me on the spot! V-SPEC I doesn't have the bonnet. I know that. You get the big clout V-SPEC II bonnet with this mad carbon fiber intake. That's from the factory. Name another car that does something this cool out of the factory. It doesn't exist. Yeah, that's it. That's all I know. The badge at the back has a 2 after the V-SPEC. And it's red. Yep. That's all I know. Do you want me to find out? So according to Nissan Global, V-SPEC was the center of talks due to higher traveling performance achieved by exclusive aero parts, specifically tuned suspensions and active LSD and styling like a race car. V-SPEC II, added in 2000, adopted carbon engine hood with NACA duct and aluminium pedals, which created Spartan atmosphere.
So that's all the difference.
But I do know also that they, like, the further you get down the ranks of R34s, the less they made. So they're a lot rarer than a V-SPEC one as well.
How many?
That's how many were made. White V-SPEC IIs, one out of... Wonder how many are in the country. That's what I'd like to know. HKS Super Turbo exhaust. What's Super Turbo?
Super turbo.
Super Turbo. HKS VCAM, HKS oil cooler, HKS GT SS twin turbo -9s. Nismo floor mats, Nismo carbon door stickers, Nismo gear knob, Nismo seat covers, Nismo mirror glass, Nismo front mount intercooler, Nismo carbon wing blade, Nismo diffuser fins. That'll be these ones here. Nismo carbon fiber diffuser. Oof. Oof, Nismo side skirt extensions, Nismo LED indicators all round, Mighton steering wheel, Mighton strut brace, Rise Japan titanium rod bonnet stand, carbon MPC clutch, Shockworks coilovers. Nismo, did I say Nismo? Anyway, that's about it. What a special car, whole lot of Nismo. Yeah, that's about it. We'll head back down the mountain, but we'll wrap up my head talking here. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed our little cruise to the mountain and a bit of an in-depth look at the V-SPEC II R34 GTR. And if you are in Australia or New Zealand, you can jump on it. It is only going to be live for 10 days? 10 days, and it's probably going to sell out as well. So move quick if you do want to go on the draw, and this car can be sitting in your garage, and I'll be extremely jealous of you. It's the nicest car to come through the Kangang factory, without a doubt. And yeah, we'll see you next time on the show. Let's go back down the hill.